Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're taking a close-up look at one of the most stunning camper vans we've seen. This sleek 2025 all-black model that redefines what modern travel looks like. Right off the bat, the exterior design is a showstopper. The glossy black finish gives it a stealthy, futuristic look, almost like it belongs more on a sci-fi set than a campground. That aerodynamic front end with its wraparound windshield not only looks sharp, but it's also built to improve fuel efficiency and road handling. You'll notice the high-quality materials all around: matte black alloy wheels, flush-mounted windows, and a power-retractable awning. Every line and detail feels intentional, from the integrated LED lighting to the streamlined storage compartments. Now, let's step inside. The interior is where this camper truly elevates the experience. The design language is clean and modern, with a mix of soft grays, black matte cabinetry, and light wood tones that create a sophisticated yet cozy atmosphere. There's a full kitchenette equipped with a dual sink setup, a flush glass cooktop, convection oven, and plenty of storage. The cabinetry uses soft close mechanisms and matte black handles that feel solid and premium. Across from the kitchen is a surprisingly spacious dinette area with a wraparound bench. It's perfect for working, dining, or just lounging with a view through the wide, tinted windows. Overhead lighting is soft and warm, recessed into the ceiling and under cabinets to give a subtle glow that feels high-end. The sleeping area and bathroom are cleverly designed to make the most of the space. There's a queen-sized Murphy bed, option, fold down from the rear wall, and a wet bath that uses waterproof materials to stay compact yet functional. What sets this camper apart isn't just its looks, it's the attention to usability. Thoughtful touches like USB-C ports throughout, solar-ready power hookups, and smart climate control make this more than just a weekend escape pod. It's a mobile lifestyle statement. So, who is this camper for? It's perfect for design-conscious travelers, remote workers, or anyone who wants to explore with style and comfort. Whether you're boondocking in the wild or pulling into a luxury RV park, this 2025 model turns heads. That's our quick review of this absolutely beautiful camper van. If you're into mobile living with a futuristic twist, this one deserves a spot on your radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Would you take this rig out on your next adventure? Catch you in the next one.